Xiaomi Smart Central Control Screen Max unveiled with 10.1-inch display, voice control and 1,199 Yuan crowdfunding price. Xiaomi has unveiled the Smart Central Control Screen Max, its first official large-screen control hub for smart homes in China. Designed to manage connected devices across the home, it comes with a 10.1-inch HD display, support for wall mounting, and multiple control methods such as touch, a side rotary knob, and voice commands. The device is positioned as a centralized solution for lighting, temperature, and appliance management, giving users a simplified way to interact with the Xiaomi smart home ecosystem. Xiaomi Smart Central Control Screen Max specifications and features. The Xiaomi Smart Central Control Screen Max features a 10.1-inch display with a 1920x1200 resolution. It integrates a 5-megapixel camera with a physical shutter for privacy and also includes an ultrasonic sensor for presence detection that wakes the screen when a user approaches. It is powered by an A53 quad-core AI processor paired with 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. For audio, it has a built-in speaker and microphone system that supports voice control through Xiaomi. The side rotary knob features a matte glass finish, allowing for precise adjustments to brightness, color temperature, and climate settings. In terms of connectivity, the screen supports Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5G GHz, Bluetooth 5.3, and a wired Ethernet option. It is compatible with the standard 86 type wall box and uses zero-fire wiring. For lighting load, it supports incandescent bulbs up to 2100 W, 700 Ws per channel, and LEDs energy-saving bulbs up to 390 W, 130 Ws per channel. The device comes with Mi Mesh 2.0, offering 50% faster response times and quicker network setup compared to the first-generation Mesh Hub. With local hub functionality, it can manage devices even when offline. The screen also supports WeChat voice and video calls, household intercom, and AI-driven responses for everyday queries. Xiaomi Smart Central Control Screen Max price and availability. The Xiaomi Smart Central Control Screen Max is available on the company's crowdfunding platform. The crowdfunding price is 1,999 Yuan, 280, while the suggested retail price is 2,499 Yuan, 350. The crowdfunding campaign will run from September 8 to September 15. The product is offered in a neutral finish that complements a range of home styles.